Hi everyone, it's Carrie
and Sydney,
and this is your cocktail of the week.
Yeah.
So this is really fun for us. So our friend Victoria makes this incredible liqueur. It's called Araceli, and it's actually a marigold liqueur.
It's amazing.
It's so beautiful. It's a really lovely flavor, a little vanilla,
Yeah.
a little bit of like what it smells like to smell a marigold.
Oh,
it's
amazing.
incredible.
Yeah.
Available at Bevmo. I highly recommend it. So we're making a marigold margarita. So I have had 8 ounces of Laughing Glass original margarita sitting here with a cinnamon stick for about an hour. So that's been soaking. I'm gonna add all the 8 ounces to my shaker filled with ice. And then I'm gonna do 4 ounces of the marigold liqueur. Look at this bottle. This would be perfect for like Day of the Dead, something around Halloween, just that time of the year.
Yeah.
4 ounces of the Araceli liqueur, and I'm going to do a couple squeezes of fresh, juicy orange in there.
Yum.
And
so good.
we're going to give that a little shake. And
I'm really excited to try
it's
this one.
so good. And then I did this super silly garnish. I just used a toothpick to get that on top. So if you want to get fancy, that's how I did that. And we're just gonna pour over ice.
Excellent.
And it's a nice fall color. Here, let's do the whole shebang and give you a nice garnish too.
Ooh, I love. Beautiful.
And there you go, a
Look at
marigold
that.
liqueur. Don't poke your eye out.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's so good.
I could get in trouble with these.